I don't think a female running a house is a problem, a broken family. It's perceived as one because of the notion that a head is a man. If there's a book that you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. Freeing yourself was one thing, claiming ownership of that freed self was another. Sweet, crazy conversations full of half-sentences, daydreams and misunderstandings more thrilling than understanding could ever be. What's the world for you if you can't make it up the way you want it? As you enter positions of trust and power, dream a little before you think. Don't ever think I fell for you, or fell over you. I didn't fall in love, I rose in it. At some point in life the world's beauty becomes enough. You don't need to photograph, paint, or even remember it. It is enough. How come it can't fly no better than a chicken? Too much tail. All that jewelry weighs it down. Like vanity. Wanna fly, you got to give up the shit that weighs you down. I dream a dream that dreams back at me.